Snaptain S5C Elite First Use. Unboxing. Open the box, and remove Snaptain S5C Elite and its accessories. Flight preparation. Unfold the front arms, and then the rear arms. Charge the battery with the USB charging cable provided in the box. Install the battery into the drone after it's fully charged. Insert a memory card into the drone. Use the screwdriver to open the battery cover. Insert 3 AAA batteries into the remote and tighten the screw. Remove the lens protector. Download the app. Download and install Snaptain FPV app. Scan the QR code on the package or download it from your mobile app store. Unfold the phone holder and handles. Then mount your mobile phone to the phone holder. Press and hold the power button on the drone and the remote for 3s to power it on. The drone will automatically pair with the remote. Enable Wi-Fi and search for Snaptain S5C Elite in the Wi-Fi list on your phone. After connecting, launch Snaptain FPV app, then tap Function Display to enter the main page to see the live preview. How to fly. Place the aircraft on level ground with the rear facing you, making sure there are no obstacles in surrounding area. Takeoff. Option 1, pull both control sticks inward and then push the left control stick forward. Option 2, press and hold the 1-key takeoff button for once. Flight direction. The left control stick is for adjusting the aircraft's altitude and orientation. The right control stick allows the aircraft to move forward, backward and to left and right. Speed switch. Slide the switch toggle to the left for a slower speed or to the right for a faster speed. Taking photos and videos. Photo mode. Tap the photo icon on the app interface or press the photo button on the remote controller to take photos. Video mode. Tap the video icon on the app interface to recording videos. You can also press the record button on the remote controller. Tap the playback icon on the screen to view your footage. Land. Pull down the left control stick or press the landing button on the remote controller for about 3 seconds to land the drone. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to power off the aircraft and the remote controller. Fold the aircraft arms, and store the aircraft in the bag. We hope you enjoyed this video and happy flying!